Hello, folks. So, let me put you on the desktop. I thought I'd just make a quick video. Well, I'll try to make a quick video. This is a power brick. It's the one I've been using forever. It's connected again forever, putting out voltage or USB power, and yesterday it crapped out on me, so I figured I would try and see if it's possible. Need to take off these. Now, I'm thinking about a new series, well, new old series of videos, call it what you want, because I thought about it. I started it years back, but I never followed through, so I just started it and nothing more came of it. I even got the name, but I never did anything. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a series, 0 to something, or that's the name I had come up with, but I'm not sure if that's what I'm gonna call it. I'll find that out soon enough. Now, are those screws, or are they? These are probably just, rivets, I think. Rivets. So, does it? I hate these things. I don't get why they glue stuff together. See. I'm not sure. I can see it's a very large capacity. Oh, wow. Something blew up there. A lot. Okay, I gotta get that under the microscope, because I don't think this is worth fixing. But first I'm gonna check the cap, see if it's got any voltage in it. Yep, meter is on the. Now that cap is completely drained, so it's safe to handle. And I'm gonna put the microscope out here. Hang on, cable's in the way. Oh, You gotta see the microscope. Diode there, that's looking toasty. Those resistors are completely burnt. Yeah, no point in trying to rescue that one. Guess that one wasn't rated for continuous use. Well, that happens sometimes. I know that for later. Because this was like, I mean, I'm all for repairing what can be repaired, but this one I think I paid like 129 kroners for, which is what, $10? And I've been using it for 3 or 4 years, I think. Yeah, 3 years, something like that. And yeah, but there are a lot of good components that I can use off of this. So this one will make a good donor. But what I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the project. Yeah, pick up stuff off of Finn, stuff that's given away, maybe because it's faulty, defective. There are people starting to put things out there, but it's not as much as I would like, but it's gotten better. Now what I want to do is then of course repair it and sell it on for small profit. Now I won't make, it's not a business. This is something I plan to do as a hobby, because I want to keep my repair skills honed, and yeah, I like to repair a lot of different stuff, anything from appliances to electronics to, yeah, just about anything. I will try to fix anything. Small engines was the first thing I started fixing, and I've fixed a lot of things up over the years. But I figured, hey, why not try and just make a little bit? Because if I can make a little bit, that means that I can I will keep a journal and I will disclose everything in the sheets. I'll be using Excel, so just a sheet and disclose everything, and maybe I can then start to pay a little bit for some and get better and better equipment and maybe work my way up. And the thing about, if I repair something and I sell it off, it won't be like this. It won't be like the thing if it was just used a little bit and sold. I will just make a small profit, very small, and that means that the people who buy it get a really good deal. It's also easier to sell because I will not charge market. That means that I'll have to wait sometimes. But if I place myself well below the market for that item used, then I can get it sold quickly, and means quick turnaround. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. I've also started a Discord. You'll find a link to that down in the description below. I've just started that Discord, but I've been on Discord for many years. I do have the small engine enthusiast, but that's only small engines, nothing else. But this one is about for my repair channel. Just a sort of a, if you want to get in touch with me or something, it's easier than sending me an email and all that. And I will post some pictures. I'll post a little bit, and what I can share some. I can share stuff on there. I'm a member of a lot of different repair guys discords. I'm on Sorin, Paul Daniels, of course, Northwest Repair, Joey Does Tech. Yeah, so I've started my own, but like if you want schematics and stuff, like I also look for schematics. There, you can of course go to Bad Caps, one of the best resources out there. But another resource for schematics is of course Soren's channel, and the amount of schematics available on that Discord is insane. It's actually so much that I've started going to Soren's and search there instead of Bad Caps as a first search. I used to always be Bad Caps, but you know, I'm only searching Soren's channel. I have a link to another, it's in Russian, but Google Translate works, and that holds so many. So I'll post a link to that in the Discord channel. There'll be a like resources channel or something like that, and I'll post it there. So hope to see you join the Discord channel there. For those of you. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Would be fun to hear your thoughts on making a project like 0 to something, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.